I'm the Tuzemi, Lagos Environmental Agency, where they know for Kai, where they know for kick against indiscipline. They'll arrest the food when Nigeria actress Sarah Martins they cook for the poor and the less privileged. And according to the agencies, say they commend her efforts to feed the poor, but they encourage for her to the cook for road. Say the hygienic. You understand? Say because that food na food when they give human being, and they go to openly they cook food for main road when people they pass, when dust they pass. You get the point? Say they enter food when human being they consume. So you get the point now. I mean why she they cry, say they pour oil for her hand, say her hand or bone. I mean why they see carry the food go their agency. Now we never know if they give her the food back or they don't flex the food for the agency.
Anybody want to call? We don't allow it. It is not accepted. Oh yeah, madam. Are you in Lagos? You should have make it here. Charity. You should have make it here. If you go live, your phone will go for you. I swear to God.
Yeah, don't worry. Doing something like that.
Give me your phone. Go live. Somebody should go live.
Don't worry.
Record this for me. Record this. Please record this. I don't know this official. So let's go. I got the stuff I'm cooking with for the people of Lagos and along the line.